Welcome to Aimco Manufacturing. Here we have another gripping tool. This is used to pick the transmission castings out of a machining center. So what we're doing is we're picking them up. We've got the machining center's got an opening. We've got to clear that. That's why this tool is mounted on a torque lift, so we can have our off-center load. After we pick it, we'll roll it for a visual or inspection process. I'll go ahead and show you how this works. We'll guide the fixed jaw in place first. Simply hit the clamp button. You're safe to lift. Bring it up and out of the machining center. You can increment the rotation with the rocker switch. Let go wherever you want to stop, all the way up to 180 degrees. When you want to inspect the part, you can turn the brake on. This is just a parking brake. It'll keep the jibs in position in case there's any drifting. You can still swivel at the wrist swivel up to 359 degrees so we don't tie the lines up. Turn the brake off. Now you're free to move the jib throughout the work center. Of course, there's a stop up here on the secondary so we don't tie the lines up on the brake at the secondary. Go ahead and rotate it back into position. Of course, the unclamp button will not unclamp the part. We have a two-hand safety set down, so you have to pull the common trigger in. After you have the part set down, pull the common trigger in. Now you can unclamp. Okay, thanks for watching.